Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from KingspetDesigns. If you're just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. Alright, to proceed with this particular tutorial, we are going to be needing our local installed on our computer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to my browser because we have to download it. So you can just enter the address, local wp.com. You can just enter the address directly, or you can also still go through Google. Just search for Local by Flywheel and just search for that. Once you search for that, you're going to see the first one there. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over to this site still. So once you are here already, you can go through. You don't really need to go through all this. You can just come over here and hit on download. You can just hit on this download, click on download, then it's going to ask you which of the platform are you using. So in my case, I'm actually using Windows, so I can just click over here and select Windows. If you are using Linux, so you can buy so once you do that, it's going to require you to fill in your name, once you do this, I'm going to just fill in my name, saying my name is Kingsley. My name is Kingsley. Then let me say my work email. My work email actually line at gmail. Sorry, at gmail.com. So I just provide any number over there. Provide your phone number. Actually enter it. So now you cannot just hit on get it now. Once you hit on get it now, you're going to see that your download is started. So you can see I'm not actually going. You can see this is about 450 MB for you to download this. You actually need about 450 MB to be able to download this particular file. So now I'm actually not going to go through the process of downloading it because I already have it downloaded on my PC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to where I have it downloaded. So I actually downloaded it from my internet downloading. So here is it already I downloaded. So what I'm going to do is to just go ahead to where I have opened in folder. So once I do that, it's going to actually open the folder where I have it downloaded into. You can see I have it downloaded into local downloads programs. This is where I actually have it. So what I'm going to do is just to click on it and do the necessary installation. So once I click on it, actually I'm not going to walk you through all the whole process of installing because I already have it installed on my PC, so I'm not going to go through all the whole process. So you just want to show you some few things here. So you can just see now I can now select install for this user or so I'm going to install for everyone. Then next, this is where I'm just going to cut it from here because I don't want to go through installing everything, but just follow whatsoever prompt is going to ask you to. You can see ask me to, so I'm just going to just follow everything, just follow the whole necessary steps of installation just as normal and install your local into your PC. So I'm not going to go through installing it because I already have it installed on my PC. So once you have it installed on your PC, I have mine already, so I'm going to head over to where you can see I have it here installed already local. So you can just click on it and open it. I already have mine open. This is how your interface is going to look like. So now if you actually open your local software, you're going to see at the center here you see something like you've not added any site yet. Yeah, that is actually because you don't have any website created already. If you have PC already. But since you don't have, you're going to see. So what you are going to do is just to click over there, or you come over to this place and click on add a site. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you here. So the next thing you are going to do is to add the name of the website. Let me say I want to add something like King Store. Let me say I want to add something like King Store. So I'm going, once I add that, I'm going to put on, forget about all this place, just ignore it, say it is. So you can see this is going to the location where it's going to be, and actually want to choose and to add your website into the location. So I'm going to just leave it for now. Show you how to. Now come this over, come to here, then prefer, because either you want to choose. You can see if you actually here, you can see that if I, you can see that I'm actually connected online here. So now what I'm going to, if you click here, you can choose from the preferred settings here, but I'm going to leave it as preferred. So now don't be scared. If you actually don't have internet connection, this actually will not load, or that just, or you can actually do this without having any internet connection. So just select on preferred and click on continue. Then you can now enter your WordPress username and password. So I'm going to enter root as my username, and also on the password I'm going to leave a simple root. You can see root. Then your work email. So I'm going to add something like KingspetDesigns at gmail.com. So once you add the email, you're going to forget about this. This is just to, then I'm going to click on add site. Once you click on add site, it's going to start adding. You can see we have this already here, so it's going to add another one here. That is how, where you, this is where it displays for you the list of all your websites. Why adding this site is going to actually do, just prompt you to accept some things, just accept them, and everything will be set up. It will going to install WordPress for you, do everything for you. So once you're done with that, let's just wait for it to finish. You can see it has passed the sub stage, and actually prompted while installing this, it prompted for me to accept, of which I accepted. So installation history. So once I accept that, it goes ahead to start adding WordPress to my website. So it was, after adding the WordPress, it's actually going to install the WordPress, and before it finally brings out my website for me. So we just still have to wait. So now here is it, my website has actually been added. You can see we have SSL here. We also have our, this is the address that it actually created for our website. Now for you to preview our website, you can just hit on this view site. Once you hit on view site, it's going to open up your browser. You can see your website from your browser. This is the website we've actually created. So you can see the address. So now what I'm going to be doing now, let me come back here now to click on admin, visit admin. Then you can see it will prompt you to actually log in. So I'm going to log in. The password, the username was root, and the password also was root. So I'm going to now click on login. And here we are on our dashboard. You can now see this is our dashboard we've been working on. So this is from here. Now you can now see that you can start building your website from here directly. Now let me show you one good thing about using this particular local. From here I can actually, you can see, unlike others where I have to start working with this, and after creating my website, now to upload it online, I have to start changing the address to the one I actually want to use on the original website. So now with this local, you can actually use any domain I want to use. So now I can click on change domain name. Then I'm going to add domain name. Let's say I want to use kingstore.com as my domain name for the domain name I'm going to buy. I'm going to get for this particular website. If I'm sure about it, it's kingstore.com. I'm going to make use of kingstore.com. So I'm going to click on change domain. Once I do that, you can see it actually prompts me. So I'm going to just accept. It's going to change everything for me. So now once I do that, everything has been done already. So I'm going to click on visit site now. You can see by the time I visit, this is the old link. It's having kingstore.local. Now the new link now is now having kingstore.com. You can see that with this now I can just create my website from here directly without having any fear of me changing the link whenever I'm going to upload it online again. You can see everything is actually set up very well. So now to log into the dashboard WP. I still use, instead of going through the local, I can still use normal as you normally log in. Prompts you to log in, so I'm going to add username and password. So once I do that, I'll also stay back to my dashboard. You can see that everything becomes very simple and easy while using our local. So if you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. For this part, this is where I'm going to stop in this particular tutorial. So you can see installing WordPress on your local, you can use this to create a website easily and efficiently. And one good thing about this is that about using local to create your website is that you can actually send a link. You can see you have live link. For example, we have this live link now. Let me create. You can see I'm actually testing this website from here. So now let's see something now. I have this. I can enable link. Is going to create a link for this particular website I'm working on. So it has created the link. I'm going to click on the link. This is the link over here. This is where we have the link. So it's going to create this link now. So if I'm creating this particular website for a client now, I can actually just get this link, get the link and send to the client, and the person can preview the website. Though the website is on my PC, but you can preview the live version on his own. So I'm going to use a different browser now. So let me use a different browser. I'm going to paste the link somewhere. Sorry, let me get the link from my local. Copied. The link has been copied. I'm going to come here and paste the link. So this is the link now. So let me just enter. You can see from here. You can see I actually removed that HTTPS because it came with. You can see from me when the original one actually came with for me to start searching. So just enter it the way it is, the normal way, and load your. Say I can just send this link to my clients, and the client will be able to view my website I'm creating right from his own end. So I doesn't have to actually need to go and show him what I've done already on my PC, or need to buy a hosting on to upload. So I can just send him the link. He can preview what I've done already on my PC. You can see everything will work perfectly well. So we'll be using our local now to create our website. So from here, I'm going to be moving into showing you how to create a complete landing page using WordPress. We are going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you how to create that landing page using WordPress. The landing page you've just seen, I'm going to show you how to create that using your WordPress. Until next time, bye for now.
Flywheel.